My name is Savannah. I'm a branch manager and I've worked at Mariner for just over 7 years. So I started as an account rep. Just after a year there, I was promoted to assistant manager, and then again, just after a year, I was promoted to be branch manager. I have background in insurance and then also in banking, so I had a little bit of knowledge coming into it. Typical workday starts with going through your loan applications. You do a morning meeting, talk about how you did yesterday, what we're gonna do for today. You're always interacting with a different customer, trying to get someone to come in, close their loan. You make some outbound solicit calls to find someone. The company is definitely really good about making everyone feel like it's a team. What motivates me here is being busy in the fast-paced environment and just learning new things all the time, every day.